Hey guys, happy Friday. It's currently Friday and me and Brian were on our way to New York City for New York Fashion Week, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me and show you guys the amazing stuff that happens in Fashion Week. So many great experience and things that you see, and you get so inspired and just see everything come to life after Backstage. It's just amazing. So stay tuned for all the fun. Also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you are not, to join the Bravo fam, the Bravo squad. And don't forget to check out all other my social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, to follow along. Let's get started. Let's go. Backstage, they give you like that yellow glow. Why are you hiding? Why is she hiding? So yeah, we're backstage. I love the lighting here. We're about to be seated in like around 15 minutes, and I am so excited. This place is really, really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Tonight our hearts and burn away. This is our time, it's do or die. Come on, let's rise for heaven's. Find that lighting, it's like you get, like, you can do this selfie. This is just you and me, an open road. Let's go. From Desi and Katie that Maybelline is doing, and then at 9 I have another show, but I'm going to switch it up. Of course, it's gonna be more smoky, more like dope. It's gonna be a dope outfit. I can't wait to wear it, so stay tuned for all the fun. TD, I can show you, it's like pants as well with like nice cheetah coat, and look at my shirt, it says nothing to wear. Exactly how I was feeling when I bought this shirt. Nothing to wear. I don't know who else feels the same, so comment below. Do you feel the same? You never have nothing to wear? Alright, so we just got here. Wow, this lighting is a little weird. It's like hits you everywhere. I feel like I have dark circles, but I don't. Do I? No, I don't.
As you all know, we just heard our names. Yeah. Come on now, come on now. Who the fuck influencer? Are you the influencer?
Doesn't take much to feel the rush with nothing but your eyes on me. How about we do just like we do?
And here I am. My hair is a mess because we got so wet. It's the wet look, you know, it's the new trend. So we're okay. We made it. We made it. That's what's important. Walked out through that hall that is over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. We're walking out through there. There's Victoria.
just you and me, an open road. Let's go.
Backstage with Lancome for Black Panther. Here's the stage. It's a little tight. The brush is real. So I am about to do my nails, Julie, and we're about to use these SE tones. I love them. I actually have one on right now, but it's really bad. Alright guys, so here we have the stuff that we use because we mainly did styling today. So we used this Lick and Shine hairspray and then the Extra Control, and then most of it was this Pixie Play crafting cream just for the texture and make sure it's holding.
How about we do just like we do? Two crazy fools just breaking free. No, it don't matter what we've been told.
Move on into the makeup.
Let's go.
Alright, I think we're good. I think we're good.
Yes, we're good.
I'm gonna walk out like this.
Fabulous. It works.
Am I good? Is this eye
Film here too.
Is this eye good?
You can't really.
You only need a little bit, Victoria, so
I'm
don't go
ready.
ham on it.
Yeah, I'm ready for fashion.
Having so much fun. Just finished drinking some coffee before I head over to the other show.
go.